Hi guys, welcome back to my channel PhysicRoot. In this video, we are going to solve the questions that are asked in KSET from last few years. As in the last two videos, we have cleared the basics which are needed for the particle physics. So now let us solve the questions based on that. So yeah, here goes the first question. This question is asked in 2016, and the question is like isospin doublet is formed by, and the given options are A. electron and proton, B. electron and neutron, C. proton and pion, D. proton and a neutron. From the question, they are asking us to find the isospin doublet, and we know that isospin I is equal to m minus 1 by 2, where m is the multiplicity. So from the given options, we know that there is a combinations of all the particles present in a baryonic group or a mesonic group, where there is no other combinations like electron or a proton, electron or a neutron, proton and then pion. So for this given question, the correct answer is a proton and a neutron, because proton and neutron belong to the baryonic group of spin 1 by 2. Let's move on to the second question. This question is also from 2016. Question number 2, that is strange particles are characterized by, and the given options are fast production, slow decay, option B fast production and fast decay, option C slow production and fast decay, option D slow production and slow decay. So here we know that what are strange particles. These are the particles which are formed by strong interactions and they decay through weak interaction. Since the production is from the strong interaction, therefore, and the decay is through weak interactions, therefore for this the given question, the correct answer is option A, that is fast production and slow. Now the third question. This question is from 2018. The question goes like this: the characteristic time of a strong interaction is about, and the given options are option A 10 to the power of minus 43 seconds, option B 10 to the power of minus 2 seconds, option C 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds, and option D 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. For this given question, the correct option is for a strong interaction, that is 10 to the power of minus 23 seconds. So here we go with the fourth question, that is from 2013, and the question like parity is violated during, and the given options are strong interaction, weak interaction, electromagnetic interaction and gravitational interaction. Here we know that parity is conserved in strong interaction, electromagnetic interaction and gravitational interaction. Therefore for the given question, the correct answer is option B, that is weak interaction. Okay, here with the fifth question, and this is also from 2013, and the question goes as it is, that the quark composition of a proton and a neutron respectively is given by, and the given options are TDU and UUD, option B is DUU and DDU, option C is DDD and DDU, option D is UUU and DUU. Here we know that D is the down quark and U is the up quark. For the given question, in the last video, I have shown the quark structure of the mesons and baryons, where from that we know that the quark structure of proton and the neutron is DUU and DDU. That is, for this the given correct option is option B, that is DUUU for proton, and for neutron it is DDU. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 6, which is from 2014, and the question states like CPT theorem is also known as, and the given options are option A Lauder's-Pauli theorem, option B Beret-Winger's theorem, option C optical theorem, and option D Gell-Mann theorem. Before going to the solution, I would like to state the what that CPT theorem states, that roughly that every relativistic quantum field theory has a symmetry that simultaneously reverses the charge, reverses the orientation of the space or parity, and reverses the direction of time. Here CPT stands for charge, parity and the time. So from this, here the correct option for the given question is Lauder's-Pauli theorem, that is option. Now the seventh question, that is also from 2016, and it states as gamma ray decay involves. For this, the given options are A. Strong interaction, B. Electromagnetic transition of a nuclei, weak interaction inside the nuclei, and gravitation interaction. For this, the correct option is. For today, it's enough. Let's continue to the next questions, the next class.